Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our project title, Hybrid Cryptographic Access Control for Cloud-Based AHR Systems. And this is our project abstract, Cloud-Based Electronic Health Record EHR System or Next Generation Big Data System for facilitating efficient and scalable storage and forecasting collaborative care, clinical research and development. Mobility and the use of multiple mobile devices in collaborative healthcare increases the need for robust privacy preservation. Thus, large-scale EHR systems requires secure access to privacy-sensitive data, data storage and management. The authors provide a comprehensive solutions with the cryptographic role-based technique to distribute session key to established communication and information retrieval using the Kerberos protocol, location and biometric based authentication to authorized user, and wavelet based cryptographic technique to embed EHR data securely using electrocardiography ECG signals as the host in the trusted cloud storage. A comprehensive security analysis demonstrates that the model is scalable, secure and reliable for accessing and managing EHR data. And this is our data flow diagram of our project. First we have to register and with the ID and the location. After register with the ID and the location, we have to users can log in into the system with the using of the domain server. The domain server will provide the session key to the registered persons in the for authentications. After we have to enter into the login, he has the domain accessed domain based data access of ECG data of the patients or users or itself. We can use the use the ECG data access using the domain server. We have to send the access data to the health authority. If the health authority will store the ECG data into the cloud server, and we have the cloud image will be getting the ID embedded into the image, and with the load balancing of the servers, the cloud servers. After that, it will be sent to the health authority. If the user will send the request to the health authority, the health authority send the ECG data access to the domain server. Domain server will distribute the data to as per the domain access to the users. Let's see the demo of our project. Click home.java, right click on it and select run file option. After selecting the run file option, the home page will be displayed in our window. Display in the screen. Then if you want login screen will be displayed. If you have to register new, enter your name, place, location and the mail ID. And then register. After the register, you have to select the face recognition for, and then JPG. We have to register successfully. Then you can enter into the system. After running the system, we have to use the user domain authentication. Then enter the location and request the OTP from the domain server. Yes, we have to run the domain server. Receive the username and the domains and the where is these locations and verify it successfully. After that, generate the OTP password, session password to session key and send. Receive by the domain user domain and proceed into the system. Now we can enter into the system. Next, then we have to load the data. Here health authority, then select user 3 and browse ECG data, and then select ECG images and send it to the cloud. After click the cloud and run the cloud file. After running the cloud.java, receive the cloud files and proceed into the system and view, and data will be data embedded into the image. We have to extract the data, which is the data of the ECG data, ECG images, ECG fluctuation of waves, and then embed into the data, embedded successfully, and then store into the cloud, and it's stored also successfully into the cloud. Then user can select and they get the status, or getting the status, receive the health authority, and getting the ECG data, so will be 01.jpg, and send it to the domain. After click domain, receive the health authority from domain and decode the images. After decode the images, send the values to the user. After clicking the user, receive the image, and it's not will be predicted. Here's the doctor. We have stored into the store the details, store the current status of the patient after analyzing the data on the ECG. Stored successfully, and then login by another user. User 3 and the password, and then go home, get OTP password from the domain and receive request, verify it, and then get the OTP password and generate the OTP, send it to the user cloud and proceed into the system. After that, getting the status from the send ECG, send it to the domain. After send it to the domain, receive the decode it and send it to the user. After send it to the user can receive it. Then if the doctor prescribed, the status is normal, and then close the window. Thanks to listen this video.